Welcome. In this video, we're going to learn about the midpoint formula. It's a handy tool in algebra for finding the exact halfway point between two other points. The formula looks like this. M equals x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So, what exactly is a midpoint? Imagine you have a line segment. The midpoint is the single point that sits at the exact center. It's special because it splits the line segment into two perfectly equal pieces. It's the ultimate middle ground. To find a midpoint, we first need a line segment to work with. A line segment is defined by its two endpoints. We can call the first point P1, and its coordinates are x1, y1. The second point, P2, has coordinates x2, y2. These are the 2 points we'll be finding the middle of. The first step in the formula is to find the x-coordinate of the midpoint. To do this, you simply find the average of the two x-coordinates from your endpoints. You take x1 and add it to x2, and then you divide that sum by 2. This gives you the horizontal location of the midpoint. Step 2 is very similar, but this time we focus on the y-coordinate. To find the vertical location of the midpoint, you find the average of the two y-coordinates. You add y1 and y2 together, and then divide that result by 2. Now that you have the average of the x's and the average of the y's, you just put them together to form a new coordinate pair. This new point, with its x and y values, is the midpoint of the original segment. The x part comes first, followed by the y part. Let's try an example. Suppose we need to find the midpoint between point A, located at 2, 4, and point B, located at 8, 10. We have our 2 points, so now we can use the formula we've learned. First, we add the x-coordinates 2 and 8, which gives us 10. Then we divide by 2, which is 5. Next, we add the y-coordinates 4 and 10, which is 14. We divide that by 2, which gives us 7. So the midpoint is 5, 7. What about negative numbers? The good news is the formula works exactly the same way. Let's find the midpoint between point C at -4, 8, and point D at 6, -2. Don't let the minus signs intimidate you. Let's solve it. For the x-coordinate, we have -4 plus 6, which equals 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. For the y-coordinate, we have 8 plus -2, which is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so our midpoint is 1, 3. And that's all there is to it. The key thing to remember about the midpoint formula is that you're just finding the average. Find the average of the x-coordinates, find the average of the y-coordinates, and put them together to get your answer. You've got this.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.